Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add WhatsApp status, and our WhatsApp status disappear after 24 hours. So we are in update section. So you can add any text, you can add video, you can add multiple images. So it's up to you. So you can add any content in your WhatsApp. Now you see status and then you see add status, so click on it. So we are in add status. Now you see text, layout, voice, camera. So you can take image, you can select video, you can select image, anything you want, or if you want you can write some text. So you can select layout also. In layout you can add multiple images. So we are going to add text, so click on it. Now you see type a status, so you can add text according to requirement. So we added some text. Now you see setting icon, so click on it, and then you see who can see my status update, my contact, and then you see who can see my status update. You see three options: my contact, accept, only share with. So you can select option according to requirement and then click on done. And then you see text, and then you see T icon on top, so click on it. You see different layout and then click on done again, and then you see another icon after T, so click on it. So you can change background color like this, so it's up to you, and then click on done again, and then we are going to publish. So click on this, and then you see status sent, view my status just now, so click on it. Now you see zero view just now, again click on it. So this is our status. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.